How to add teams on favorite in ESPN Fantasy Sports. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to add teams on favorite in ESPN Fantasy Sports. Adding teams on favorite in ESPN Fantasy Sports is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Log into ESPN. Visit the ESPN website and log in with your credential if required. Navigate to the team page. Use the search bar or browse through the leaks to find the team you want to add to your favorite. Search for the team or player you want to add to favorite. Once you find it, tap on their team's profile. Add to favorite. Once you are on the team page, look for an option like favorite or follow button, often represented by a star icon or plus. Click on follow or the favorite button to add them to your favorites. Check your favorites. You can view your favorite team by going to your profile or the favorite section on the ESPN homepage. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can add teams on favorite in ESPN Fantasy Sports. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.